What's going on, guys? It's Jamar from Lifeforabusiness.com. Today in this video, I'll be discussing how to build business credit and how to get the Fuelman Mastercard. If you like the content, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also remember one thing, retirement is a number, not an age. It is just a number, not an age. There are actually 3 Fuelman cards to choose from. All right, there's the Deep Saver Fleet card, the Clean Advantage card, and the Mastercard. Me personally, I applied for the Mastercard version. Even though, Fuelman is basically recommending that I take the Deep Saver Fleet card, I chose not to. Okay, the main reason I applied for the Mastercard version instead of the other two is very simple: flexibility. All right. The Mastercard version is accepted everywhere Mastercard is accepted for fuel and maintenance. The other two are more limited in where you can actually purchase fuel and, maintenance to fix your car. Now, this card offers business protections. It allows you to have alerts. It gives you fleet essentials such as detailed fuel and tax reporting, customizable dashboards, as well as use as maintenance on everywhere Mastercard is accepted. And you can even skip the line for customer service with this card, which is a pretty cool feature. All right. Now, there are different tiers to this card. There's the regular, there's the plus, there's the premium. Me personally, I chose the regular. Okay. Now let's go to the application. To go to the application, you're going to select apply for instant decision, and you'll be taken to this page. Once you get to the first page of the application, it's going to ask you basic things: your business name, your zip code, your first name, your last name, your business email address, as well as your phone number, and how many vehicles are actually in your fleet. All right. On the second part of the application, it's going to ask you for your EIN, your business address, your state, your zip code, your business number, the type of business that you'll actually be applying for this card under as well, how many drivers you have. All right. Also, the estimated monthly fuel spend for the actual card that you're going to be getting. Now, if you have a lot of drivers, you can actually select the amount of drivers that you have, as well as the estimated monthly fuel spend. Okay, it allows you to go between almost $200 to $100,000. Also, when it comes to how you receive your statements, right, I suggest you select online, because if you do by mail, there is a fee. Okay. Now, on the final page of the application, right, it's going to ask you your first name, your last name, date of birth. But here's the important thing. It's also going to ask you your social security number. Guys, listen to me very carefully. Lock your credit reports before you apply for this card, so you could get this card without a personal guarantee. Okay? Remember, lock your credit reports. All right? Trust me, it's worth it. Now, because I had my credit reports locked, right, they sent me to this page. Thank you for your application, Jamar. We're processing your request. We'll have a member reach out to you. All right. Now, when this member reached out to me, they pretty much told me that they wanted me to do a credit application. I told them no. I wanted it to be without a personal guarantee. At first, they were hesitant, but then they allowed me to get this card without a personal guarantee. They actually started to look into my business credit. After everything was approved, they checked my business credit. They allowed me to get this card without a personal guarantee. That's the most important thing. The credit limit that I was approved for was $3,000. The billing frequency was monthly. The payment terms were 15 days. Okay, now the 15 days thing, you can actually negotiate this with them. Okay, I'm probably going to increase this, maybe net 30 or net 90 or 60 if I can. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way towards the end. I greatly appreciate that. Okay, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for weekly updates. All right. Also, please check out our business credit playlist, all right? We're going to be putting all of our business credit videos in that playlist, all right? But again, make sure you also share it to your social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Just share this video everywhere, all right, guys? But here's the most important thing I say at every video. Retirement is a number, not an age. It's just a number, not an age, guys. All right? Thanks for watching. We out.